Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your personal information to the Aegean application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on the profile button down below in the or at the top of the screen in the upper left corner of the screen. Then tap on personal information, which is the first button, and then you should select your title. Then select or type in your name, then your date of birth, starting with the day, month, and then the year. Then select your country or region, then your communication language, your nationality, and your marital status too. Tap on the update personal information button down below to save all these changes. As you can see, your personal information have been updated successfully. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.